All right, so here's a little update. The car is semi put back together. Got the head on, torqued, timing belt timed. Everything's pretty much done but the intake because still waiting for the 3G booster. Was supposed to be here the 18th. It's now the 27th, and it's still not here, and it has no ETA. But the axle I ordered 3 days ago showed up today or yesterday. So we're gonna do that. This video is gonna come out before the car is done. Should be relatively simple. The only annoying thing doing this is how dirty it is under here from all the axle grease. So I hit it with some engine degreaser. I'm probably gonna do some more, and I'm gonna do a lot of cleaning when I pull the axle out. So I got the axle nut loose, and then gotta take a few more bolts out. And it should be just the ball joint, this, and then I should be able to swing that out. Take the take it off. If it doesn't come out of the carrier bearing, like half shaft, then I'll take the whole thing out. They say it's easier that way, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and take some of these bolts out. I'm gonna do some wiping down first. I'm not much of a glove guy, but I'm definitely wearing gloves for this. All right, so we're gonna try the one method of removing the strut and then removing the tie rod, and not actually removing the whole knuckle. See if this will work. And we're not gonna take out the intermediate shaft. So it's just a 17 on this nut that holds the lower strut in. It's kind of hard to film this with the lighting. And then we're gonna take this off. And it's a 14, 17. How bad I'm... That's the bottom strut bolt. I'm gonna take off this, that should help. You got the one size fits all. All right, so I cheated. I used the air hammer. I forgot I even had one, but it took 2 seconds. And you can see I gave up on the gloves already. Let's jack it back up. 1 second, I'll put you on the tripod. Okay. Oh, yeah. Nice. So since my intake is out, so I'll get back to you after I'm done cleaning all this axle grease. All right, so got it about as clean as I'm gonna get it. It's pretty good up in there. Let's get this new axle installed. It should be pretty easy. Just pop this in. Put it on the tripod. You gotta pop it over that C-clip. There we go. Slid it right in. Let's spread it apart a little bit. Now we got it. It's got to line up the holes for the cotter pin. We got a new nut. It is 145 to 188 for this axle nut. And then you gotta line up the holes for your cotter pin, and you're good to go. So that's it. All in all, it's a pretty easy job. As long as you have a couple tools and air hammer will probably help out a lot. And it should be pretty easy as long as you don't have any seized bolts. So it's really just like 3 bolts: the tie rod, the strut, and the bolt that goes into the bottom of the knuckle. So hopefully I'll get this brake booster soon and get this thing back on the road. But appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.